Hello everybody, we start with a new activity here on my YouTube channel about chess. We shall play against very strong chess engine, a slight modification of the famous Stockfish engine. We shall play with 10 minutes plus 5 seconds increment per player, and also engine will have at the disposal very strong opening books, so enjoy this very strong play from my opponent, and I'm just going to train, and I'm just trying to survive. Let's say that my goal will be to survive as many moves as possible until be checkmated. I'm almost sure that I shall be checkmated in every single game, probably until the end of my life. I don't hope even for a single draw. So those engines are today in 2022 on such top levels. This is pretty strong play. There is enough time for engine here to not make even small mistakes. There will be only some so-called micro blunders eventually from engine side here. So let's try to do this. I didn't succeed in learning chess other ways, so maybe playing against such a monster on the other side will help our play. Maybe we learn something here. So I shall not talk much. We start immediately. I plan to play only d4 or e4, those two first moves, and the engine will play something very quick in the opening using opening book, and then when we are out of the opening book, there will be some thought from both sides. Okay. 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 Okay, I shall try with some very interesting opening. Maybe I am going to be quickly knocked out, but I want to play this one, f3. Okay, I'm not sure that I know how to continue at this point. Okay, let's play e3. Let's try bishop d3. Okay, it seems that we are in the opening book still. Let's try this. Okay, it seems that we are out of the opening book already. I played this opening frequently as a correspondence chess player, so I knew some first moves here. But this is very, very, how to say, very wild opening. This is very wild opening. So I'm not sure how to play this. Well, now my c pawn is very weak here. Okay, what can I place here? I'm just going to take d5. Maybe not the best move, but this is my first. Actually, this is my first game against very strong opponents. So. So what can we do? Let's play. Okay, I am lower on time already, but never mind. We have 5 seconds increment at the end if we consume all the time. Okay, this was expected. I have nothing to move here, so this was pretty quick play from my opponent. So do I want to castle? Okay, I guess that I want to castle first. F3 is maybe not popular, but F3 prevents knight E4. So this can be, there can be some, okay, should I go with some pawn storm against such engine? Should I play G4 already now? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to play my play. So just bishop b2 first. Okay. Yes, I expect just this, and there is a hole now here. Knight b3 should be next move, so this is not. Can I stop somehow that? Can I do something about that? I am actually not sure. Okay, there will be some further attacks, but I am not going to allow that such easily. I am playing bishop c2. Okay, now I didn't see. Now bishop. Okay, but that was also a possibility earlier. I expect maybe knight c4 from my opponent. Well, well, we are not clearly losing yet, but I'm going to be outplayed soon, I guess. Okay, now further attack on my c3 pawn here. Okay. Okay, yes, opponent cleverly prevented me for playing c. Now there is no hope for c4 at all. I don't know what to play here actually. Okay, I'm going to try this way. Maybe I can hope for some e4 at one point. I don't know. Okay, even top engine will not easily break through this position, but there will be some tricks clearly coming. Trust me, this is very strong. This is very strong engine. We are not we are not hoping for much here, although maybe not losing by great amount yet. Okay, what is the threat of this? What is the threat of this? Okay, I'm losing the bishop. Maybe I can allow that, but is there any other? Okay, yes, my pawn is now hanging too. My pawn e3 is now hanging too. Okay. Okay. I'm going to shelter that pawn. Okay, this is interesting. I shall not give up so easily. Neither of the games. You know me. You know me. You know that I am not great player, but I shall play until the end. And the opponent needs to checkmate. I am not going to resign at all. We shall play until the end according to the rules of the chess. Okay, now very strong attack on my c on my c on my free pawn. I am trying to protect a little bit more here. I have no any other. Okay, we are okay. Okay, you want attack? Okay. Yes, I should probably need it to play g4. What I'm going to do now? Well. I smell problems for me, but I respond with h4. Okay, will cause you no end of problems. Okay, engine now warns that I am that this is a serious blunder. I don't believe that. Okay. Yes, I believe that. I didn't see that now my knight is gone. Yes, okay, I didn't see that my knight is completely gone. Nothing to play now. Yes, I already lost. I already lost this one. Okay, but I promised that I'm not going to. Okay, what can I do now? I don't know what can I do now. I simply don't know what can I do now. Yes, I'm losing this. I'm completely losing this. This was just a blunder, a complete blunder. Now I can't. Okay. Okay, I didn't see that I can maybe play e4, but this is losing. This is losing. I'm also low on time. I just blundered the knight on the move 18. Okay. Okay, but it should be so. For the first match, it should be so. For the first match, it should be so. I didn't have a chance actually here. Okay, I don't believe that. Yes, I believe. I believe, but I am not going to move back. Okay. Okay, is this a mate? Am I already losing? It seems that I am already losing. I can't stop mate on I can't stop mate on h3. Okay, okay, okay. No, okay. This is completely losing. This is okay. I can't do that. Yes, yes. I'm now completely losing. You know, see, you see this. I can play maybe this, but I'm losing soon. I'm losing soon. This was just a humiliating. I had a good opening and then wow, wow, wow. Okay. This is ridiculous. This is completely ridiculous. I can do nothing here. I can do nothing here. I can do nothing here. Wow, this is completely losing. This is completely losing. Knight f2. Knight f2 will be checkmate. Okay, this is completely losing. Wow, those two knights. If I move here, this is immediate checkmate. Knight f2 is a checkmate. If I move here, I am losing the queen. Wow, this is ridiculous. This is completely ridiculous. Okay. This is completely ridiculous. Wow, this is a complete checkmate. What can I do now? Why is this still not a checkmate? Where can I escape? I don't get it. Okay, I'm seeing this. I can only do this. And then I made it. It's over. Move 26 is a checkmate. Oh, just incredible. Just incredible. I just blundered this basically bad. You see. Okay. Thank you. We shall see in the next video when I am going to be black. Wish me more luck.